Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, Lash Marketing Mentor. Welcome to my channel. I help lash artists become lash marketers because marketing builds clientele. In this video, as you can see, we are about to get my whole life together. It is time for me to restock my lashes, and I just won a $500 gift card to thelashsupply.com. And if you know, it's all I use, okay? So it is time for me to restock lashes. I am out of lengths, I am out of curls, I am out of diameters. We just out here real bad on the inventory. So I have created 3 piles of lashes. These are my C curl, my CC curl, and my D curl lashes. And these are extra lashes, same C, CC, and D curl all mixed in. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these out and disperse them in the appropriate piles. Now, I am going to be also redoing my lash cart, which is over here. If you can see, this is the kind of cart that I use. I like this better than the trolley that's open because I have more drawers and I don't have to worry about things falling out and all over the place while I'm working or whatever. So from these piles, I am going to create 2 for 6 piles of lashes. I'll be doing all of my C, CC, and D curls, separating them by 0.03 lashes and 0.05 lashes. Those are the only 2 diameters that I use. I do have some 0.07s in, I think, a C curl, but they came in a PR box, and I only use those to create spikes when I have used it to create spikes. So I'll also be, again, going through my cart. There are tons of lash trays, lash adhesives, tweezers that I may never ever use because I just like what I like. So I'm going to donate those to a lash school, BBU, which is Bonjour Beauty University here in Dallas, Texas. And I'm going to give those to them as like practice lashes that they could use. And most of them are all from the Lash Supply, but they are from their regular line. And my favorite line is the Lash Artist Premium Choice. I got to have these. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate these lashes into the piles that they need to be in, and then we'll go in and restock. All right, so we have all of the lash piles set out. C curl, CC, CC, D, D, and then D. So now what I'm about to do is go through, check all of my lengths starting from 8 to 16 millimeter to make sure that I have enough. And I'm gonna write what millimeters I need to restock on my iPad, and then I'll go and order them once I'm clear on everything that I need, all of the lashes that I need. It looks like most of all I have mostly 0.03 lashes in a C curl, as well as CC, and then I have a lot of 0.05 D curl lashes. I don't really use D curl. I have 3 clients that I can think of that wear a D curl, so we might not even have to restock those. If I do, it won't be many lengths. So I may get mixed trays for them. Don't know. We'll think about it. We'll see what the total is totaling. But we also do have $500 to spend. In addition to lashes, I do want to buy me at least 2 more pairs of tweezers from thelashsupply.com. I love their number 8 limited edition tweezer. It is a microfiber grip tip tweezer. The whole beak of the tweezer is a sweet spot. It doesn't hurt my hand to use it. It's just real smooth. It's a great tweezer. So I am going to re-up maybe on 2 more pair of those tweezers. And then, yeah, all these lashes that I need. So I'm going to go through them, see what's up, and then we'll restock the cart. All right, so I totally reorganized this cart, as I said, put all of the lashes that were supposed to be in there, and then I was also able to clean out a bunch of inventory. I got rid of other lashes that I don't use anymore, thread that I don't use, a tripod, and yeah, just things that aren't necessary. So I was able to get my cart organized and ready for the lashes. All right, so the lashes are all separated by curls. It's 2 drawers per curl, and each drawer is a different diameter. These are my head covers. This down here is my extra supplies that I might need. This drawer is full of like tweezers, my glue rings, gummy bears, but mostly tweezers and glue rings and the essential things. And then this top drawer is where I have all of my markers that I map with, where I keep my eyelash pads. Love these so much. My lash bath kits, hydrogel pads, tape, those kind of things. I just found this in the drawer and I'm gonna give those a try. But yeah, so now that is that. Now I have more space in my little organizer right here to put different things in it. Don't know what I'm gonna add in there because there were lashes in here, but I'm gonna keep the lashes out. We'll figure it out. Something's gonna go in there and that'll be that on that. So these lashes right here, this is all of the stuff that I'm gonna give away to Bonjour Beauty University. These are tons of lashes. Some of these lash trays haven't even been touched yet. Like it's tons of lengths, curls, diameters, all the things. And then they get colored lashes, there's glue, there's lash remover, there's bonder, all of this stuff that companies have sent me, that I may have bought at some point or whatever. Things that I got from my swag bag. This is a really good glue. I haven't tried it, but I've heard about it. Things that I got in my swag bag from LashCon. So yeah, this is all for the upcoming lash artists to have something to practice with. All right, so we are here on the Lash Supply homepage. I'm going to go through the list that I created on my iPad of all the inventory. Of all the inventory that I need. And once I get these entered into the cart and come on, brain, don't do that. Once I get these entered into the cart, get my tweezers, possibly some hydrogel pads because I need those. And they have pretty quick shipping, so fingers crossed. Yeah, I'll be ready to go. And I'm going to show you guys how to use my discount code to save money and get free shipping. Okay, so $584.55 is what my total comes out to for now. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and enter code T10. Apply discount. I don't know if it's supposed to load. All right, so it brought it down $54, and now the total is $526.10. So all I would have to pay is $26.10 for my restock. I did not get to get any tweezers or hydrogel pads because the lashes took up the entire little situation here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out. But y'all, that is that on that for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.